Not your typical condo at Lake of the Ozarks. What a view from this updated, penthouse condo at Beach Club. Beach Club sets itself apart with quality construction, amazing location, a no rental policy, views that can't be beat, and an established HOA. Did I mention the amazing floor plan that lends itself perfectly to full-time living or vacation living? With nearly 2,000 square feet, large bedrooms, a garage, and wonderful kitchen dining areas, this unit is spectacular. Granite counters, a gas fireplace, 2 private decks to enjoy gorgeous sunsets, a large laundry room, and a newer HVAC are all bonus features of this great condo. Unit comes fully furnished and includes a private garage, 14x36 boat slip, PWC space and hoist. You can even keep a golf cart on the property and drive down from the garage to your boat. One feature you will come to enjoy the most is the convenience. Less than 1 mile from Highway 54 in the Bagnell Dam Strip. This top floor, 2-bedroom condo is a must-see.